Guys, please, bro. No. Flowers, no? Okay, LSG, would you be my girlfriend? Open your eye. What made me? What's with these flowers?
Ay, Luluto, man.
First of all, why would you bring dead flowers?
What's wrong with these flowers?
What's this?
It's a flower, like, it's beautiful, like, look. Please take them at least, so that you make me feel better. Okay. Let me call Sasha and see, like.
Hey.
So, what's wrong with these flowers? Family, I go. Sash, so you said those flowers are not now, right?
Yeah.
What about these ones?
Let me see. Those are better. Those are better. Peanuts, those are better. But Peanuts, I know you, dog. I know you, dog. No.
I don't like.
You didn't even put effort, like bro, and you expect this girl to just like say, "Hey, I love you too." Huh? Stupid ass Peanuts.
Trust me.
I promise you, I'll be honest, those look like the protea flowers. Have you ever seen the flag for the
Exactly. Exactly. They ugly as fuck.
Those are ugly as flowers. I don't have a garden, but if I had one, that would be better. Peanuts. Boy, I swear, even Pick and Pay can have better flowers than that. What are those, Peanuts, bro? Do you not know the definition of romance? Love, Peanuts. Your problem is you haven't been in love for some time, so you clearly don't understand what you're looking for.
Exactly. Just doing anything.
So now you think you are a motivational speaker now. Chief, you don't even know what you're saying. You can't even hear yourself. What do you know about love? What do you know about love?
I'm telling you exactly what you should know about
You are older than me, mother. I'm the one that must teach you about love. You ask me about love.
Yet you're single. Peanuts, yet you're single. You have nobody.
You're single. You're single too. You have nobody. Bitch, we're single. We're single, bitch. We're single.
I am single with nice flowers. You are single giving a girl that you like ugly flowers.
Yes.
Peanuts, if you want a future with someone you like, care about them.
Exactly. Which means if he put more effort into this, the girl would have agreed, because it's clear the girl didn't say that I don't like you or something. She just said, "How? No effort at all, just flowers, random flowers that you picked from your house, dead flowers. Even worse, dead fucking flowers, dead." Peanuts, tell Ghost to teach you some skills, man.
Think about it. This LSG,
Yes.
please. Tell him to be serious. No, he's disappointing.
Yes.
He does normally.
Okay.
Yes.
I have one more flowers.
No.